So, friends, I want us to look at the book structure for this very title we've made. So, number one thing you have on the structure will be your, excuse me, you have your title page. Okay, your title page. You can have double title page, what I call full title page. All right, what I call full title page, and then half title page. Okay. Now your full title page is plus book title plus book title plus subtitle. Okay, let's practice it. Let me show you. Okay, so this is uh so let's copy this to okay. So remember we are on book structure. Okay, the book structure, and then we talked about full title page. So now for the full title page, let's see. We have this is our title here. And remember we've made it three in one books. Okay, three in one books. So this is the title here. So let's see. Alright, so we have our title. Okay. Recovery from well, normally this is not how I will arrange it, but I want you to understand that the title page comprises of both the title, subtitle, okay, the title and the subtitle with the pen name, the pen name, and probably logo. All right, the logo of the book. Why the half title page? It's the half title page. It's just this, the title and subtitle. That's all. So either way, it can be anyone can come first. The half title can come first, the full title can come first. It's not an issue. All right. So now we have the copyright. The copyright. Remember, there's a disclaimer there too. So check what your competitors have on the inside, and then you add yours. So what we are actually bidding on is the what we call the front matter and the back matter. So copyright, and after the copyright you have table of content, table of content. Okay, table of content. So let's see our competitor, what this person has on the inside of her book, so that we'll be to have a proper guide. Okay, so all right, you make sure you have legal notice disclaimer. You can tell your AI to generate legal notice disclaimer while doing the copyright at the same time. So there's a table of content. And one thing I want you to notice, the table of contents, yeah, this is it. Okay, so let's move. That was all. So this book just it has the title page and copyrights page and then straight to table of content. But I wouldn't want you to do it exactly that way. So have a copy, have your table of content, and then you can have your intro, and then you have your introduction. Okay, you have your introduction page, and then your chapter one begins. All right. So this is actually the front matter. So when you talk about the book matter, the back matter, all right, the back matter of your book, the back matter is after the whole page, after the whole content of your book. Then um, you have um, you have your what's it called again? Uh, You have your glossary. Can I have your glossary? You have your glossary. You have your index. Okay. Just can have these things in place. You can then remember you did not conclude each chapter. You can tell the AI, or you can add accessory. All right, you can add at the back matter. You can add about the author. About the author, very important. Add about the author. So after you add about the author, you can also add a thank you page, thank you, and the request for review. So request for review. So inside this space, you're going to be telling them to give you their honest reviews. This is one of the ways you get um, reviews from Amazon, all right, from people. So you can tell them to thank you, and then you should give you their honest reviews. So don't make these ones a heading. Don't make these thank you and request for honest review a heading. Okay, you can say thank you and please leave your honest review. So with this, you are good to go. About the author, thank you, glossary, index. You can even leave like two blank pages and then you make them a line. How to make them a line is you hold your shift bar and the dash on your keyboard pad and then it should begin to generate this kind of stuff. Okay. So and then what you call it is notes. All right. Why did you add the note? Where you give it a heading. You can make it heading one or heading two. All right. To be heading one or heading two. This is where, then make sure you centralize it. This is where the people will write notes at the end of it all. So it was just a quick one. I just wanted to teach you how to structure your book with your front matter and back matter. So from the title page to the introduction is called the front matter. Then from the about the author, thank you page, glossary, index is called the back matter. Thank you so much. God bless you. I wish you all the best in this endeavor. Bye bye. See you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share to your friends so that